Are you in your 20s? This is one of the most exciting times of your life. New experiences, new opportunities, and the freedom to shape your future. But it's also when the most people make financial decisions that haunt them for years. In today's video, we will dive into the top 5 financial mistakes you must avoid in your 20s. Because, let's be honest, your 20s should be about building a foundation for future full of financial freedom, not financial regret. Stay till the end because avoiding these common mistakes could mean the difference between financial stress and a life where money is a tool that empowers you to live the life you want. Let's start with the most common mistake, not having a budget. You see, when you are in your 20s, it feels like there is always another paycheck around the corner. But here's the harsh truth. Without a budget, you are basically guessing where your money goes. And guesswork is a terrible strategy when it comes to your finance. A budget is not about restrictions, it's about freedom. The freedom to spend on the things that matters the most to you, while ensuring you are prepared for the unexpected. Trust me, setting aside a few minutes each month to plan your spending can transform your financial future. Remember, a budget today is a financial control tomorrow. Mistake number 2. Not investing early. Imagine this. A 25-year-old invests 5,000 a month and another person waits until they are 35 to start investing. By the time they both turn 60, the 25-year-old will have way more money even though they invested the same amount. Why? Because of the magic of compounding. The biggest financial mistake most people make is thinking they have time to start investing later in life. Don't wait. Even small amount invested today can grow into something significant tomorrow. In your 20s, time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the more wealth you build without breaking a sweat. Mistake number 3. Relying too much on debt. Debt is a tempting. Credit cards, personal loan, easy EMIs. It feels like a way to enjoy life now and pay later. But this is a dangerous trap. Relying too much on debt in your 20s is like building your future on quicksand. Sure, a new phone or a vacation on credit might feel exciting in the moment, but it's the interest rates and repayment cycles that quickly steal your financial freedom. Use debt wisely. If it's for an investment like education or a home, it's a different story. But for consumer goods, be cautious. Paying in cash or saving for what you want is always the smarter route. Avoiding unnecessary debt in your 20s will give you the peace of mind and financial flexibility you will need in your 30s and beyond. Mistake number 4. Not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. There is no warning for a job loss, a medical emergency, or an unexpected expense. That's why one of the biggest mistakes you can make is not building an emergency fund. Think of it as your financial safety net. 3 to 6 months of living expenses set aside for life's sudden curveballs. It's not glamorous and it's not fun, but it's the key to staying financially stable when things go wrong. And trust me, at some point, something will go wrong. Start small, maybe 5,000 a month, but keep building it. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 5. Not prioritizing financial education. In your 20s, you might be tempted to focus on short-term goals, career, travel, relationships. But not prioritizing financial education can be one of your costliest mistakes. The truth is, schools don't teach us enough about money management. But that does not mean you shouldn't learn it. Make it a habit to learn something new about personal finance every day, whether it's through books, podcasts, or YouTube channel like this one. The more you know, the better decisions you will make. And knowledge isn't just power, it's prosperity. The more educated you are about managing and growing your money, the closer you will be living the life you have always dreamed of. Your 20s are a time for growth, exploration, and setting the stage for your future. Don't let financial mistakes hold you back. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can set you on the path to financial freedom, stability, and most importantly, peace of mind. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to subscribe RK Prosperity Pulse and hit the bell icon. Your 20s are just the beginning. Let's make them count financially and otherwise. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.